Hi crafty friends, it's Katya. Welcome to my channel. Do you see that silver knob over there on the left? Keep your eye on that. That is going to be a game changer on how you could possibly ink up your stamps in a completely different way. So I purchased this magnetic tape that has adhesive on one side, and then I also purchased this coat hook that has a neodymium magnet on one side, which is extremely strong and durable. So what I did was I cut a couple of strips of tape. And what I'm going to do is adhere it to the back of my ink pad. And what's great about this is if you have issues with holding large ink pads and dropping them, like I do, because I'm a messy crafter, and just ergonomically, it's way more comfortable to hold something that is suited for your hand. This is a really great way for you to enjoy inking up your stamps without dropping your ink pad. And so this is a great hack for those of you who've never tried this before. So I'm going to remove the adhesive from one piece of the magnet tape, and I'm going to just adhere it to the back of my ink pad. And I'll do the same for the next piece. And it doesn't matter how far apart you put them. You can put them close together. I figured I would just put it so that I could see the actual ink pad name. But now I have this ink pad magnet on the back of my ink pad, and I can take this coat hook, which now becomes my handle for all my ink pads. And it's great because I can just buy the inexpensive tape with the adhesive on the back for all of my ink pads and use the same coat hook to pick up each one of the ink pads that I use. And so you can see this works beautifully, and this is perfect for people who may have dexterity issues or arthritis. It just is a handle that makes it really comfortable. So anyway, I hope this short video helped you. If it did, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing with some of your friends who would benefit from this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great crafty day, and ciao for now.